Hello, this is Ada Janosic, and I would like to welcome you to my series on ports, cruises, and resorts. I hope you're enjoying the series as much as I enjoy teaching you about them. So much of our world is waiting to be discovered and enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I would love to hear from you. Most people sail to Tahiti and see 3 islands. I want to show you the ones almost nobody reaches. Everyone knows Bora Bora, the overwater bungalows, the lagoon, the mountain, and it deserves every bit of it. But French Polynesia has 118 islands and atolls, and the ones most travelers never reach are the ones I want to show you today. The MS Paul Gauguin carries just 330 guests, with 1 crew member for every 1.5 travelers. She was designed specifically for the shallow seas of the South Pacific, which means she reaches anchorages the big ships simply cannot enter. So yes, you'll see Bora Bora, Mount Otemanu, the white sand, the water that doesn't look real in photographs because it barely looks real in person. Think of it as the opening chapter, not the whole book. Then Taha'a, the vanilla island. Just off its coast sits Motu Mahana, a private islet reserved entirely for Paul Gauguin guests. Polynesian hospitality, water sports, a floating bar, and a feast served on the sand. And now we go further. Rangiroa, in the Tuamotu, is one of the largest coral atolls on Earth, a ring of islets around a lagoon so vast you cannot see across it. At Tiputa Pass, dolphins ride the current where the ocean pours into the lagoon. Fakarava is a UNESCO biosphere reserve, and divers speak about it the way other people speak about cathedrals. The Paul Gauguin is the only luxury ship in French Polynesia offering PADI certification, so you can learn here, of all the places in the world to learn. Then the Marquesas, far to the northeast and unlike anywhere else in Polynesia. No barrier reef, no gentle lagoon, just volcanic cliffs dropping straight into open ocean. Fatu Hiva, Nuku Hiva, these are the islands that stopped Gauguin himself. And on select voyages, the Cook Islands. 1 foot island in the Aitutaki Lagoon, a sandbar with a post office where you can have your passport stamped standing barefoot in the water. It is as far from ordinary as travel gets. Voyages like these run 7 to 16 nights, so the ship becomes home. Every accommodation is ocean view, nearly 70% with balconies, from 200 to 534 square feet. Beverages are complimentary. Dining at La Grille is open air, under the stars. Nothing to sign, ever. And with you the whole way, les Gauguines. Local Tahitians who sail as your hosts, your entertainers, your storytellers, and by the end of the voyage, genuinely your friends. They share these islands the way only people who love them can. If Bora Bora is the dream, this is what lies beyond it. Now, before you go, a word about how I work. At Infinity Fun and Travel, I specialize in a very specific type of traveler, those aged 45 and better, who aren't just looking for a trip, but a meticulously tailored experience. Because we provide true concierge-level planning, we do charge a $400 professional service fee. That fee allows us to advocate for you, to handle the hours of complex research, and to ensure that your time, which is your most valuable asset, is never wasted. You aren't just getting a booking, you're getting a dedicated partner who understands the quality and comfort you expect at this stage of your life. So if you'd like to see what lies beyond Bora Bora, I would love to help you plan it. Call me, email me, or simply leave a comment below and I'll answer you myself. I'm Ada Janosic with Infinity Fun and Travel. Until next time, keep exploring.